I have a Sears Kenmore refrigerator, model 795.762.3.901, bottom freezer ice maker. The ice maker is making ice, but it comes out in clumps and freezes in sheets.impossible to put in beverages. We think we need a new ice maker as the refrigerator is about 8 years old. Is a repairman going to have to come out and check first, then come out again to install new ice maker? Would really like to avoid 2 service charges. Thank you.
Can you guesstimate how old your Kenmore is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I already gave you that information.
Sorry about that. I must have missed it. Could you tell me again?
Sears Kenmore model 795.762.3.901. It is about 5 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Is a repairman going to have to come out to diagnose problem?
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. You are correct that it sounds like you need a new ice maker. This refrigerator is made by LG for Sears, so that is why the part is an LG part. The part you need is EEC72909-603, so if you want a technician to replace it, make sure they bring that part out before they come out to make sure they don't need to make a second trip. If you wanted to replace it yourself, below is a link to the part and a video that shows you how to replace it. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
How do we order the part /
You can click on the link I gave you and order the part directly from the link.
How do I arrange for someone other than my husband to install it?
You would want to call Sears, and their number is. I will warn you that it'll likely cost about $150 to $200 plus the cost of the part to have Sears come out and replace the part for you.
Wow. Okay, thanks, Tyler. You get 5 stars.
No problem and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.